When you're learning a language, you're constantly coming across new words, and you're constantly forgetting them. The good news is you can just save them to your extended brain, the word bank, and you'll see just how to do it today. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. What is the word bank? If you're learning with our system, Word Bank is kind of like your extended brain. It's where you can save words and phrases that you come across in our lessons with a click. All the words will be here in one spot for you to review later. So you're not just coming across new words and immediately forgetting them after. Because let's be honest, you will forget them if you never see them again, right? So you'll find the Word Bank in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the site. If you're using the app, it's right there on the dashboard. By the way, if you're not learning with our system, you should still consider getting something similar, where you can save new words for review later. How to save words and phrases to the word bank. So, here's how you can save words to your word bank. If you're taking a lesson, just head to the vocabulary section. Find the words you want to save and click Add to Word Bank. If you're on the core word lists or the free vocabulary lists, it's just as simple. Select the words, then click Add Selected Words and choose Word Bank. Anytime you come across a new word or one you want to remember, save it. Later, you can review it in the Word Bank. Listen to the audio pronunciation, check the translation, and even see related lessons where the word appears. And here's a handy feature. You can organize your entries with labels like adjectives, verbs, or phrases to keep everything neat and easy to find. Now, saving is only one step in the process. If you want to improve your language, you'll still need to master these words, which I'll talk about next. Easy ways to review vocabulary with the word bank. Sometimes a quick glance is all it takes to jog your memory. You can easily check the meaning of a word or listen to its audio pronunciation right in the word bank. If you're looking to really master those words, you can click Sync to Flashcard Deck. This creates a flashcard deck with your word bank entries, ready for study. If you want to create your own printable worksheets, just click Printer-Friendly Version and print out your word bank. And if you need a digital copy, you can export your word bank as a PDF, CSV, or even XML file. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Indonesian PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hi everybody, welcome back to IndonesianPod101.com with me, Blanca. Jumpa lagi dengan saya, Blanca. Today, I'm supposed to tell you about something big in August in Indonesia. Can you guess what it is? I will give you a few hints. Red, white. The color of Indonesian flag? No? Saying Merdeka. That means independence. Okay, I'll give you another hint. Indonesia, tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibuku. Indonesia, kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita berseru, Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya,
merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Can you guess what it is? Okay, I will give you the answer. Hari Kemerdekaan 17 Agustus. Hari Kemerdekaan 17 Agustus. Independence Day, August 17.
Hari Kemerdekaan 17 Agustus. Independence Day, August 17. In August in Indonesia by IndonesianPod101.com.
So, if you're lucky enough to be in Indonesia on August 17, you are about to witness one of the country's most exciting and heartfelt celebrations, Indonesian Independence Day. Let me give you the scoop of this fantastic day. First, a little background. August 17 marks Indonesia's declaration of independence from colonial rule back in 1945. It's a day filled with pride, history, and a whole lot of festive spirit. Think of it as Indonesia's big birthday party, where everyone comes together to celebrate freedom and national unity. The day kicks off with an incredible flag-raising ceremony at the Merdeka Palace in Jakarta. Fun fact, starting the year 2024, this ceremony will also be held in the Garuda Palace in the new capital city of Indonesia, Nusantara. This is where the magic happens. The national flag, the merah putih or red and white, gets hoisted with all the pomp and circumstance you can imagine. There are beautiful performances of the national anthem, like the one I sang, and inspiring speeches, and a sense of unity that's truly electric. It's such a big deal that similar ceremonies are held everywhere, from schools, government buildings, to local communities, making sure everyone gets a piece of the action. Also, the ceremony in Merdeka Palace is being broadcast on national TV, so everyone could join the excitement. But hold on, the fun doesn't stop there. After the formal ceremonies, the real excitement begins as every corner of Indonesia bursts into life with traditional games. Picture this. People climbing grease poles in Panjat Pinang. Panjat Pinang. Competing in hilarious lomba makan kerupuk. Lomba makan kerupuk or cracker eating contest. And hopping in sack races during balap karung. Balap karung. Whether you are in a bustling city or a cozy village, these games are a blast and show off the country's playful and spirited side. Let me give you some tips to watch or participate in the August 17 Independence Day celebrations. Kenakan merah putih atau baju daerah. Kenakan merah putih atau baju daerah. Wear red or white or traditional outfit. Dress in red and white or traditional outfit to show your patriotic spirit. Datang lebih awal. Datang lebih awal. Arrive early. Get to the location early to secure a good spot for watching parades or performances. Ikut permainan tradisional. Ikut permainan tradisional. Participate in traditional games. Join in the fun by participating in traditional games like sack races or tug of war. Hormati upacara bendera. Hormati upacara bendera. Respect the flag ceremony. Stand and sing the national anthem if you can during the flag raising ceremony as a sign of respect. Tetap terhidrasi. Tetap terhidrasi. Stay hydrated. Bring water with you, especially if you'll be outdoors for a long time. Ikuti adat lokal. Ikuti adat lokal. Follow local customs. Be aware of and follow any local traditions or customs during the celebration. Abadikan momen berharga. Abadikan momen berharga. Capture precious moment. Bring a camera or smartphone to take pictures and videos of the festivities. Jaga kebersihan lingkungan. Jaga kebersihan lingkungan. Keep the environment clean. Dispose of trash properly and help keep the celebration area clean. So get ready for a day full of pride, tradition, and a whole lot of fun. Indonesian Independence Day is a celebration you won't forget, and it's a perfect chance to dive into the culture and experience the joy of this incredible country. Enjoy the festivities! Merdeka! So does this help convince you to come to Indonesia in August? Which one interests you the most? Or is there something shocking or confusing? Be sure to write it in the comment below. Keep practicing Indonesian and remember, go to IndonesianPod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Sampai jumpa lagi!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.
How are your Indonesian listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
Seorang pria dan wanita sedang berbicara. Peristiwa yang mana yang tidak terjadi pada pria itu? Oh, Andi. Selamat datang kembali. Sejak kapan kamu pulang?
Kemarin malam.
Oh, begitu. Bagaimana Thailand? Kamu kelihatannya agak lelah. Apakah perjalanan bisnisnya sangat sibuk?
Enggak, negosiasinya menang mudah. Tapi perjalanan pulangnya buruk sekali.
Maksudnya?
Yah, saya tertukar jam keberangkatan dengan jam kedatangannya. Dan saya terlambat untuk naik pesawat.
Masa?
Iya, tapi kalau begitu saja masih oke. Setelah itu dompet saya dicuri. Ditambah lagi, ketika saya mencoba untuk memakai kartu kredit yang tidak berada di dompet, ternyata sudah kedaluarsa dan saya tidak bisa menggunakannya. Jadi, Akhirnya saya harus menunggu selama 15 jam untuk penerbangan yang berikutnya. Sebenarnya tidak masalah kalau saya bisa menginap di hotel.
Oh, begitu. Maka dari itu kamu lelah.
Iya,
Peristiwa yang mana yang tidak terjadi pada pria itu? Seorang pria dan wanita sedang berbicara. Peristiwa yang mana yang tidak terjadi pada pria itu? Oh, Andi, selamat datang kembali. Sejak kapan kamu pulang?
kemarin malam.
Oh, begitu. Bagaimana Thailand? Kamu kelihatannya agak lelah. Apakah perjalanan bisnisnya sangat sibuk?
Enggak, negosiasinya menang mudah, tapi perjalanan pulangnya buruk sekali.
Maksudnya?
Yah, saya tertukar jam keberangkatan dengan jam kedatangannya, dan saya terlambat untuk naik pesawat.
Masa?
Iya, tapi kalau begitu saja masih oke. Setelah itu dompet saya dicuri. Ditambah lagi, ketika saya mencoba untuk memakai kartu kredit yang tidak berada di dompet, ternyata sudah kedaluarsa dan saya tidak bisa menggunakannya. Jadi, akhirnya saya harus menunggu selama 15 jam untuk penerbangan yang berikutnya. Sebenarnya tidak masalah kalau saya bisa menginap di hotel.
Oh, begitu. Maka dari itu kamu lelah.
Iya,
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. First up, 30 antonyms you must know. Want to double your vocabulary? Learn how to say young and old, hot and cold, and much more. You'll pick up over 30 words with this vocab bonus. Second, Travel Like a Boss PDF cheat sheet. If you're learning the language but don't know these basic travel phrases inside, what have you been doing? Download this bonus cheat sheet right now to fix that. Third, 20 small talk phrases that make you sound fluent. Chatting with native speakers would be easy if you bothered to learn these useful phrases. So access this 1-minute small talk phrases lesson now. Fourth, 10 phrases to amaze native speakers. This lesson teaches you even more phrases that make you sound fluent and will impress native speakers. What are they? You'll find out inside. And last but not least, tired of apps that only teach you random words? Want an app that teaches you the language through everyday conversations? With innovative language learning, you're exposed to real conversations between real native speakers. And then get everything slowed down and explained so you can learn the language fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below. And download them now, before they expire.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.